Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you a math trick. Multiply two numbers that are close to 100. First we will see how it works, then next we will see why it works. So 95 is 100 minus 5, I write down minus 5 here. 97 is 100 minus 3, I write down minus 3 here. Then combine these two, 95 minus 3 is going to be 92. Or I could also combine these two, I'll get the same result. 97 minus 5 is 92. And then reserve two spots and then multiply these two numbers. Negative 5, negative 3 is 15. That's it. Alright, that's the answer. Alright, so let's see why it works. So here is the proof. I can write the first number as 100 plus something and the second number also 100 plus something. Then I open the bracket using distributive property, right? And it's a simple manipulation. And then I get to something like this. Here I can combine 100 with A, then I get uppercase A, that leads me to this result. Or I could combine 100 with B, that gives me uppercase B, and then that leads me to something like this. Alright, so now let's see how this works, right? So uppercase A plus small b. So here is an example. So this is uppercase A and uppercase B. This is lowercase a, lowercase b. Now A plus B, either this plus this or b plus a, we will get the same result. And then that times 100, meaning, there are two zeros to the right. And there, what goes is a times b, right? In either case, a times b. So when I multiply this, so if they have the same sign, if the product is positive, then we just write it there, right? Alright, so let's look at some examples. So 99 is 100 minus 1, this is 100 minus 2, then I combine these two is 97, and then I use two spots. 2 times 1 is 2, so that is 0, 2. Alright, so here 100 minus 2, this is 100 minus 0. So if I combine these two, it's going to be 98, right? And then times 0 times this is 0, 0. Now, oftentimes, so there are a lot of math tricks that we learn, and sometimes we forget about the trick. So I try to use the trick with something that I already know to make sure that it works. So in this case, 90 times 100 is 9800, and you should also work using the trick. Alright, so here in this case, 100 plus 2 is 2 and 100 minus 2 is 98. If I combine these two, 100 2 minus 2 is going to be 100, and then two spots here. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So these are 0, right? Then minus 4. So this gives me, 9. This is 96. Alright. Here 100 plus 2. This is 100 plus 7. If I combine these two, 109, and two spots. 7 times 2 is 14. That goes here. In this case, 100 plus 16, 100 plus 14. If I combine these two, and this is going to be 130, and then two spots, then I need to multiply these two. So in a previous video, I have shown another trick how to multiply two digits where the tens digit is the same and the unit digits they add up to 10. So in this case, the this digit times the next digit, 1 times 2 is 2, and 6 times 4 is 24. So 2, 2, 4. So this is 4, 2, 2, 3, 1. Alright? Alright, now here's some homework for you. Please try it out and let me know in the comment.